Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my February favorites, which is basically a lot of Dollar Tree makeup. So basically it's a Dollar Tree favorite. So if you want to see what products I chose for my collection, of course, just keep on watching. So let's talk primer. So I went ahead and organized everything by the way that I throw it on my face. So obviously I go in usually with brows, but next step will be primer. So the first product we have here is a Be Pure Hydrating Shimmer Serum with jojoba oil. If my full face of Dollar Tree is already up, I'm gonna have it linked down below so you guys can see this in action. It does have like little shimmers in it. In the actual product, it is like a yellow kind of serum vibe, which is kind of what kind of deterred me from buying this product. I almost left it, but I just went ahead, bit the bullet, threw it in my cart, and I'm glad that I did because it is very hydrating. It feels really nice on the skin, and the little glitters, although they do translate on the skin, they don't stay there. So when you do throw on your foundation and all of that, it does give you a little bit of a glow, but like a natural kind of glow. You don't really see the like chunks of glitter or anything, so don't be deterred by that. But this is actually really nice, and it's good, and I'm glad that I picked it up. So that's the first product in today's favorite. This is the LA Colors face primer, and this is supposed to even the skin tone. It's really nice. It is a white kind of substance. I also went ahead and used this in my full face of Dollar Tree, if I'm correct, so definitely go check that out. But this is really nice, really cooling on the face, and I do have oily skin, but I do go ahead and pair this with a like pore filling primer or something mattifying on the like T-zone area. So this is really nice and way better than the Ioni Cosmetics face primer. So I'd say if you're seeing these two at the Dollar Tree a lot and you're thinking which one should I pick up, I would definitely go with the LA Colors one versus the Ioni Cosmetics one, just because this one is more of a silicone based kind of primer. I'd say this one is just one that kind of peels on the skin, which is why I wouldn't recommend the Ioni one, but the LA Colors is actually such like a landslide winner in this situation. So good. So yeah, I really much enjoy that as well. Now this product was definitely a surprising one because it is very luminous. It is the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Foundation. It's just so nice, and it looks really nice. It gives you that kind of glow from within vibe without making me look super oily, just like a little too hydrated. This is just like the perfect amount of glow that I like for my skin. So I really much enjoyed this, and it wore for a very long time as well. It's so good, and I really have been enjoying that as well. Very much impressed by that product because I didn't really have high expectations. I thought it was just going to be like a little too glowy. It was going to be moving and all over my face and a little too like slimy. I don't know what I thought, but it's actually a really good product, and it is full coverage as well. So we do have two powders here. Obviously this one here is in my Shop My Stash. If you don't know, I do Shop My Stash every single month. I've been doing it for about 2 years now, and these are two products from Be Pure. They're just like two different options. We have their infused face powder, which has green tea in it. Apparently it is green tea infused. I love using this for my under eyes, but this product is really nice again for the under eyes or all over the face. I feel like it's something that definitely mattifies me in the areas that I want to be matte. So I just throw it in my T-zone area, on my under eyes, and then for all over the face, I really like using this product because it is definitely a more blurring product, as the name implies. This is the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Blurring Pressed Powder. They're both the same size, and I'd say if you had to pick one, I would definitely go with this one just because it does give you an airbrush kind of finish to the face, and this is just the one that I've been enjoying the most. This one here is in, I believe, medium or like light medium. So good. So yeah, really been loving those two powders. Let's talk about the face products from the Dollar Tree. They're actually really nice. I did go ahead and purchase some new reformulated products from LA Colors. So this is their shimmer bronzer. It definitely is not shimmery. It looks like it would be. Let me see. Yeah, like if you really look at it, it looks like it's infused with some kind of shimmer, but the like overall layer is like a matte kind of vibe. And you do see that in that video when I threw it on. It's just a really nice color for me. This one here is in the shade Sun Goddess. And then we also have the highlight from LA Colors in the shade Glow Time. Has been a favorite for years. So I've just been really into these two products. Again, they're only $1 or $1.25 now. So amazing. So don't have to break the bank to look good. Ioni Cosmetics. This was originally going to be a like favorites video, but all like Ioni Cosmetics makeup. But I don't think I have enough. Usually for my favorites videos, I'll try to choose at least 10 products. I don't know. I have to go out and find some more Ioni. I hope they come out with eyeshadow soon. I don't know, something fun and innovative. I really much enjoy their blushes, which is why I threw them in here. And we do have one other Ioni Cosmetics product. I didn't want to talk about their lashes because I always talk about them. I'm wearing some right now that I love and I'm obsessed with. Another product that I love from the line is their blushes. Their pressed blushes are really amazing, especially the matte one. So this one here is the Phantom Blush, and it is a matte pink shade. It's like a bubblegum pink kind of moment. And then we also have this one in peach. Love the packaging. I think they do such an amazing job. I wish they just come out with a bunch of different colors instead of just repackaging the old. But yeah, such an amazing formula. Again, these are their matte blushes, and I think they're definitely worth the $1.25. So if you see them, definitely give them a try. Amazing. Who doesn't love blush? Also, the LA Colors Marshmallow eye pencil liner. So basically, if you like a kind of colorful vibe on the lower lash line, you're definitely gonna enjoy these. These are very nice and creamy, pigmented. They last throughout the day. These are really good, and I've really much been enjoying them. And they're just nice and pigmented, and they're just like chubby kind of liners. Just to throw on a little bit of a color vibe on the under eyes. Again, so amazing. But this is a LA Colors mascara defining black. So you guys know LA Colors is definitely a favorite brand of mine. That's why there is so much LA Colors in this video. But also the Dollar Tree tends to carry a lot of LA Colors. So yeah. So this is the mascara that I opened in that video. I have so many mascaras open, but I really wanted to try this out. I love the pink kind of cap, which is why I purchased it, but also the actual wand is really nice. It's kind of long. It's just like the perfect size for the lower lashes as well. So this is a really good mascara in my opinion. I'm definitely not like the biggest fan of mascaras from the Dollar Tree, but this one actually blew me away, and I've been using it quite a bit. Remi Rose Cosmetics, you guys know they're definitely very underrated. I try to mention them as much as I can because their lip glosses as well as their everlasting liquid lipsticks are amazing formula, and I definitely have used up a couple of these in the past. I have two shades to show you guys. We have the shade Kristy, which is a pinky kind of vibe, and then we have the shade Jenna, which is definitely a favorite kind of cool tone brown kind of moment. And these are just so good. They're such a great size for travel or to throw in your purse or whatever to touch up throughout the day. It's just a really good brand. Their lip glosses are amazing, and these are just really good. And I like the packaging because it's very simple, yet the like Remi Rose logo never rubs off. I've never noticed that, but these always stay intact, and they're just really good and pigmented, and they last throughout the day. So I've really much been enjoying those, especially for work, and especially when I'm gonna be wearing a mask. They actually last throughout the day as well. They don't like rub off on the mask and make it all messy. The last product for today is the Ioni Cosmetics setting spray. So this is the face finishing spray. This smells so good. I think that's like the #1 reason why I like using this, but also I just feel very nice and refreshed throughout the day when I throw this on, and it's just like a nice kind of pick me up vibe. If you've had your makeup on for a long time and you want something to refresh your face and to kind of again bring it back to life, this is definitely the product for you. And it's just so nice and amazing, and definitely a product for the summer because it does give you a hydrated kind of look. But whenever I'm feeling like my face is looking dry or a little too matte, I throw some of this on, and I really love the packaging. I like the clear one way more than the purple one, but yeah, amazing. So those are all the products for today's favorites video. Let me know if you own any of these products. What are your thoughts on Dollar Tree makeup in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all of that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.